being so attached to a film that when it doesn't do well, I am down and out. फिर कोई नहीं आता यार पूछने बात करने कोई नहीं आता. You are an actor. This is your product,
Yeah.
and you put out, and it's almost like your own child. I think in that way it's that your own child, but you have to let the reins go and let the child just do his own journey. But it's difficult to let it go. But that's where I am right. Honestly, I've been one of those actors who has done films that other people won't so easily take up and do.
Does it also feel proud in your heart?
Yeah, it does. Actually does. I really look forward to seeing. I went for Mr. Screening. I really wanted to. It pulled me. Like I said, hey, hi, I'm coming. I sat front row and I watched the film just because I wanted to see a story of a girl.
Where she's fearless, she's courageous, and she truly is a one-woman army. And that is quite visible through her film choices also now. And well, no brownie points for guessing because you know her very well now. Welcoming Nusrat Bharucha only on the Free Press Journal. Hi Nusrat, how have you been?
I'm good. How are you? How are you?
I am doing great. You know, we are all so excited to watch Chori. Like, there's just this very genuine excitement all around. I called the team yesterday and I said, please, मुझे screener दो because मुझे देख के interview करना है. And they were like, थोड़ा delay हो रहा है. So they sent it to me this morning. And I cannot wait to watch it. I had back-to-back shoots. So I was like, बस अभी नुसरत के interview के बाद I have postponed my gym session to tonight because I was like, I will watch it first and then go. But there's just truly so much
I'm
excitement.
stressed.
How
I'm
are you feeling?
stressed.
Don't stress. It's gonna be fab, I feel.
Oh God, I'm very stressed. But okay, tell me.
But these initial reactions are great. How do you feel? Did you expect it?
I never actually, and you've interviewed me before, and you've asked me these questions before. I do a film, and I have to leave it because I have faced and I think bear the burden of being so attached to a film that when it doesn't do well, I am down and out. फिर कोई नहीं आता यार पूछने बात करने कोई नहीं आता ये पूरे जो इस वेब पे सब है ना सब घर चले जाते हैं. So then it's only you and yourself, and then you have to bring yourself out of it. So I think I have just over time learned to kind of take that emotion out of me and put it on the side, saying that I did the film. While I was doing the film, I needed to pull all my emotions in it and invest in it. Till the film was being made, I was obviously associated with it in whatever parts the producers would call me to talk about it or ask me things. Then once it's theirs, then I pull out. Then once it's put out in the audience, I have to pull out. So honestly, these last few days coming up to a release have always been my toughest because right in the middle of me trying to break out from letting that film completely consume me or letting all of this completely consume me. I try and keep taking a step back, but वो conflict है, मतलब of course है, because you are an actor. This is your product,
Yeah.
and you put out, and it's almost like your own child. I think in that way it's that your own child, but you have to let the reins go and let the child just do his own journey. But it's difficult to let it go. But that's where I am right now. So I'm very overwhelmed by all the feedback. It genuinely makes me bow my head in gratitude, saying thank you guys. Like just thank you.
Do you feel as artists we have truly reached that level where the star power or the legends and the names and the big names don't matter anymore? If you truly are a talented actor today, the audiences will accept you, and we have seen that with Khilona, we have seen that with Chori, we have seen that with Akeli, we have seen that a lot of multiple projects that you've done in the recent past that have given you that acceptance with open arms. And I don't know how much has changed in the filmmaker or casting director side, but I can talk from the audience's point of view that they have truly accepted you.
Yeah, you're right. I'm actually a product of the audiences only, and their love and their acceptance only. um, मैंने आई थिंक उससे ज्यादा कभी एक्सपीरियंस ही नहीं किया है, तो चाहत किस बात की रखती मैं. My own award and reward is only what people say and what people kind of accept or not accept of mine. Whether you talk about the stars or names, I have grown up in this industry and I have seen those same stars and names do brilliant films and brilliant work. So I don't think it's the talent that you can question. I
Yeah.
don't think it's their stardom that you can question. I think what you can question in these few years is the kind of films that are coming, is the content that's coming out. I can tell you a good actor in a bad film will also seem bad to you because the film just came out badly. And
Yeah.
that's not the actor's fault, really. It's really not. एक एक्टर ना कहानी लिखता है, ना वो डायरेक्ट करता है, ना वो शूट करता है, ना वो उसको एडिट करता है, ना वो उसको रिलीज करता है. वो सिर्फ वो एक्टिंग करके घर जाता है. सो टू पुट द होल ओननेस ऑन हिम just for its failure is not fair. That's one.
Yeah.
Having said that, to put the entire onus of a hit film on only the actor also is not right. Even then, you have to give it to the whole team and the whole film, that it was a film that did what it did. And of course, everybody benefits when a film does well. तो मेरा थोड़ा मानना वैसा है. बट हाँ, क्योंकि कंटेंट हम बहुत अच्छा नहीं बना पाए हैं कुछ टाइम में, जो नहीं वर्क किया है फॉर वॉट एवर रीजन, इज वाई आई गेस द शिफ्ट इज कम अबाउट ऑफ
Yeah.
ट्राइंग टू सी न्यू. Anything needs one kind of time in our I think lifetime for a drastic change or evolution to happen. I guess maybe that's what we are going through right now. I guess that's what it is. We're evolving to a different kind of content, acceptance, actors. Even in terms of series, nobody ever thought they would spend 8 hours watching a series before. If you ask me, I said 8 hours. पागल हो, इतना
Yeah.
टाइम मेरे पास 2 घंटे में कहानी बोल के मैं घर जा रही हूँ. Sometimes even a 3 hour film seem like, come on guys, 3 hours, no. But now we watch series, we watch them for those many hours because
True.
they keep us engaged. So times are changing, and we should just get better with it.
I know you are really humble about this fact, but there is a certain credibility that now your name follows, and it hasn't come easy. It hasn't like one day you woke up, chose to be an actor, then next day everyone was a fan of yours. It has taken a lot of years of hard work. Sometimes what happens when you reach a certain position, people negate that hard work. People forget that you have also done something, and they become true, like very 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 insensitive sometimes and truly critical. Like I feel आजकल हम इतने ज्यादा critical हो गए हैं हर छोटी बात को लेके, हर छोटी चीज को लेके. Do you sometimes also get a little scared because you have seen that part also, where you were sort of wanting to get more work, and today getting the work you've always wanted to get?
um but do I see a difference, as in do I see a difference in times, or do I see?
Yeah.
Yeah, of course. I mean, I remember my rejections very clearly. I remember the films that I was not cast in, and other actors chosen, or other people who auditioned chosen over me. Of course, I remember those really well. And I think that's why I value the people who I have worked with, and I like working with the same people again, because I form a bond with, say, the director, the DOP, the sound engineer, the everybody. Like on set, for me, it becomes a creative collaboration of everybody. I need to connect with even the person who's helping me, get in and out of outfits, for example, because I need that person to be in sync with what I'm doing. So only then will it be like a seamless work environment. तो मुझे वो connection बहुत पसंद है. So then I prefer working with people who actually really want to work with me.
Yeah.
Rather than run behind people and try and convince them to work with me. You understand what I'm trying to say?
True. True.
Maybe
True.
that has set in to me, saying that, look, I know what I bring to the table, and
Yeah.
when I do a film, I do it all. Like for me, it's my hands, my legs, my lungs, my everything. And I want to do right by it in every way. So I would rather work with a team that is so kicked to work with me equally.
No,
Maybe that's
absolutely. But Chori today is a successful franchise because we got the first part. A lot of people were very unsure when it was coming क्योंकि ये थोड़ा हमारे लिए भी new था. Also, it was releasing on Prime, and it was, I think, COVID had just settled in, so we were also exploring new types of content. Today, I feel something like this. It comes, of course, we know कि it will be good. It will have some uniqueness to it. But when you first decided on doing Chori, the first one, was there any risk involved in your own head?
No, honestly, I've been one of those actors who has done films that other people won't so easily take up and do.
Yeah.
Whether it was LSD at that time or Pyar Ka Panchnama or then I guess Chori, because it was horror. Like people were not willing to do horror films that much. Horror comedy, sure, but like a pure horror and all, people were not so um like happy about it or lending themselves to it. But I feel like मुझे ना कहानी पढ़ के देख के मजा आता है कि मुझे ये करना है. Do I not ask people around? Is this a good script or idea? But I listen to them, but I process it in my own head, and I kind of try and think where which side of the place do I want to fall? Do I
Yeah.
want to go with the reasoning of it, or do I want to go with my heart of it? Because इवेंचुअली आप एक ही चीज चुनते हो, या तो दिल चुनते हो या दिमाग चुनते हो, और कुछ नहीं चुन सकते आप. So there are times where I have really chosen only my heart, and knowing that my brain is in another direction, I still do it. And there are times where I feel like it is the right thing to do. Everything about this film, this project is absolutely right.
Yeah.
My brain is saying, you have to do it, you have to do it. But my heart is just not convinced. So I've said no to even those films, and people are like, why would you say no to this? And I said, I don't know, I just didn't feel it. So I think I've always gone with that. तो मैंने कभी लाइफ में इतना इंटेलेक्चुअलाइज किया ही नहीं है इन सब चीजों को, और मैंने इतना सोचा ही नहीं है. I mean, it works for some people, strategy, planning, what kind, what not. I think I'm still just having fun. I'm still just doing different roles and characters and stories and just exploring my own self and exploring these wonderful characters that are around to play.
I think that's the best part about being an artist, that you are having fun, but still doing good
Yeah.
work while having fun. But
Yeah.
when I watch the trailer, it looks very emotionally daunting, very challenging, and I can only imagine you playing the character and getting, because you get into the character when you play it, right? How do you disassociate with it when you're not shooting? Like, were your days a little heavier when you were shooting for the movie?
Yeah, babe. Like I used to go on set and I would sit on set like a lump of a body. It would take a lot of effort for me to make even a 2 minute small talk with someone on set, because I'm a very like I like to get people together and chat and chit chat and do whatever time pass and have jokes and laugh and do whatever rubbish. But on these kind of heavy film sets now, I'm not able to, because I'm just so burdened and heavy with
Yeah.
all of that that's happening in my mind, and that I'm a lump. And then when we get a break, all I want to do is go in the vanity and lie down. Like I don't feel like eating food. Like in lunch breaks, I remember in most of Chori's lunch breaks, I've eaten in the last 5 minutes of the break. Like if we get a 45-minute break, I tell my team, I said, I'm lying down. Only call me when they give you a 10 minutes heads up and bring food in front of me. I'll eat in 5 minutes and I'll go. But I needed that half an hour to just lie down. Like my body needed to be flat out, my mind needed to be shut, my eyes needed to be shut. I just needed that recuperation to go back in it and then do another 6 hour, 8 hour shift, whatever the hours is, to be able to get through the day. And those days were just, they were tough. They were tough. These films are tough. They're not easy.
Wow. But you know what they're saying. Like in our media fraternity, we keep discussing about actors, right? So, there's this running joke that you don't need a hero anymore for your films to work. And I know this, we're just saying it in fun and games, but for me, it's a big thing because, we come from a time where we have grown up watching the heroes always take the center stage. And I remember as a kid, I asked my mom once that why don't I see a film where there are only three, four heroines?
Yeah.
And my mom laughed and said that ऐसे थोड़ी होता है. And
कहानी
today
क्या
when
होगी?
it's and then today when it's happening, like you, Kriti, Alia, there are just so many incredible actors and performers truly who are making that happen. Does it also feel proud in your heart?
Yeah, it does. Actually does. I really look forward to seeing. I went for Mrs. Screening.
Yeah.
I really wanted to. It pulled me. Like I said, hey, hi, I'm coming. I sat front row and I watched the film just because I wanted to see a story of a girl, whatever her story was. I wanted to sit and watch it. I wanted to see what it's saying and what they've done with it. A beautiful film again. I really, really liked it. So I'm very happy to be in an industry and with writers and creators and directors and producers like Abundan Shah की सारी पिक्चरें फीमेल लेड फिल्म्स है यार.
True.
मतलब क्या पिक्चरें बनाते हैं, and how do they back it and how do they choose it? I think it's amazing, and we're as actresses very blessed to be in this time.
Yeah.
A few
But
years earlier,
yeah.
would have been tough.
I know. But thank you for making the little kid in me satisfied who asked कि heroines क्यों नहीं है. But on that note, you have always been a girl's girl, and I'll always be rooting for you. Every project of yours feels like a personal victory because I've literally seen your journey up close. So thank you so much for joining, and all the very best for Chori. I'm sure it's going to be a big hit.
Thank you,
Thank
Dayu.
you. Bye.
Lots of love. Lots of love.
Same to you. Bye.